Today, I am going to show you how to create a Clack fan design in Canva. This is one of those unique digital products that people are selling on Etsy and making good money from. I'll show you exactly how to make it from scratch. Let's go. All right, click on the plus icon to create a new design. Choose Custom Size. Under the Units dropdown, select Inches. Set the size to 25 by 13 inches. Then click Create New Design. Now step 1 is to create the Clack fan shape. Go to Elements, open Shapes, and click See All in Basic Shapes. Scroll down and add this half circle shape. Increase its size to fill the page. Now press C on your keyboard to add a circle. Change its color to white to match the background. Increase its size. Place it at the bottom and adjust its position to create the fan shape. Now we need to convert this green area into a frame so we can add an image inside. Go to Apps and search for Frame Maker. This is the app. Click on it to install. If you are an old viewer of my channel, you already know this app. If you are new, this app allows you to create custom frames. You can learn more about it on my channel. Today, I'll use their Convert feature, which is paid, but they offer a free trial. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you have the trial, choose Frame and click Continue. Under Frame Area Detection, choose By Color. Select the shape color you want to convert into a frame and click Convert Design to Frame. Next, choose Maximum Size, enable Transparent Background, and click Export. And the frame is now added above the shape. Now let's add a photo inside the frame. Go to Elements and find a good background. I've used some images recently, so let's choose one from them. I'll use this birthday background since I'm creating a birthday design. Now I want to add photos above the design. Go to Uploads and add your photos. Place the first photo on the left side, remove its background, and flip it horizontally. Adjust its size and position. Then place the second photo on the right side. Now let's add the text. Go to Text and find a good text style. Let's insert this one and change the text to Happy Birthday. Adjust its size. Now type the name below. Change the color of the Happy Birthday text to yellow. Change the name color to white. Now go to Effects and add a slight curve to the Happy Birthday text. Adjust it until it looks perfect. And just like that, a beautiful Clack fan birthday design done completely in Canva. If you enjoyed this, go check out my other Etsy digital product tutorials on the channel. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment below. What design do you want me to create next? See you in the next one.